everyone. Today we will start second chapter of chemistry 12th class solution. What is solution? Homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components is called solution. If a solution contains two components is called binary solution, in which one solute in small quantity dissolve in one solvent in large quantity. In this chapter, we will discuss about binary solution, but solution may be ternary and quaternary. If solution contain three components, then known as tertiary solution. If solution contain four components, then solution known as quaternary solution. What is the importance of solution? The use of particular solution in our daily life depends upon its composition. If it's in right composition, then solution will be good. Brass is a homogeneous mixture of copper and zinc. Only copper cannot use for good purposes, but mixture of copper and zinc, that is alloy, you know very well, alloy which is very good use. So alloy can be used instead of copper and zinc, that is brass. German silver is a mixture of copper, zinc and nickel. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. You know very well, iron rust in presence of air and water, but iron become rusting, but steel cannot rust. We can use utensils in our kitchen of steel. So alloy, that for good purpose. Second point, 1 parts per million of fluoride in water prevents tooth decay, but 1.5 parts per million causes teeth to become mottled or colored. Teeth colored हो जाते हैं. And still higher concentration can be used as poison for rat in form of sodium fluoride. Pure gold cannot be used, you know very well, cannot be used pure gold for jewelry. But mix copper or silver in gold, it can be used for jewelry because pure gold is very soft. Solution of intravenous injections should have the same concentration as that of the blood plasma. So, importance of solution depend upon the composition of solution. If composition not proper way, then solution cannot be used for our purpose. Solution can be solid, liquid or gases. So, in daily life, we can say 9 types of solution. Gaseous solution. In gaseous solution, solvent, gas. Solute, gas in gas. Oxygen and nitrogen mixture. Liquid in gas. Chloroform in nitrogen gas. Solid, solute, gas, solvent, camphor solid and gas, nitrogen gas. So here we can say solvent, gas. So same physical state as solution. Now liquid solutions. In liquid solution, physical state liquid. Solid, solute, dissolve in liquid solution. Salt or sugar dissolve in water, and glucose dissolve in water. Liquid in liquid, ethanol dissolve in water. Gas in liquid, you know, oxygen dissolve in water. Aquatic species survive in water because oxygen dissolve in water. Or you can you see all of we take cold drinks. In cold drinks, carbon dioxide dissolve in cold drinks. So it is gas dissolve in liquid. Gas dissolve in liquid. CO2 in cold drinks. Solid solution. Solid. It is alloy. So copper dissolve in gold. Liquid in solid. Amalgam of mercury amalgam of mercury with sodium. It is written like that. Sodium amalgam. Gas in solid. So hydrogen gas adsorb on the surface of palladium. So these are the 9 types of solution.